might be a little bit too early to get into the garden, but it's not too early to start decorating for spring. Hi, I'm Kerri from Ashcombe, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own spring wreath. So most front doors are about 36 inches wide, so an 18 to 24 inch wreath should work. You can start with a simple grapevine base or something that has foliage like this lamb's ear, or you could use a foliage wreath like this fern. Here at Ashcombe, we have a professional designer, Nedra, who's been with Ashcombe over 27 years. A lot of her wreaths, she starts on this grapevine base. She then adds foliage and flowers, and of course a bow. So this wreath that Nedra started is a grapevine wreath, 20 inches. And then she started to place the ivy around it. You'll want to choose a color scheme. For this one, we're doing yellow and purple. Maybe it's something that you have coming up in your yard here for the spring, or it matches the decor of your house. Make sure you have a good glue gun, and you're going to start attaching the pieces around the wreath. Cut your silks to size, and then you're going to evenly place them around the wreath. Make sure they're glued in there tight. And of course, don't forget the bow. And if you're not sure how to make your own bow, check out our previous videos for the holidays on just how to make your own. And there you have it, the finished product, a little bit of spring for your front door. And of course, we do offer this service. If you're not sure you can make your own wreath, come see Nedra here at Ashcombe, and she'll help you design anything for your front door.